Guys, so I am over here by the Dr. Seuss story time, and I ran into a couple of my friends. The Grinch is here.
Mr. Grinch, did you see
This character right here, Mr. Grinch,
your schedule wouldn't allow
is my sister's
Well, that was
favorite.
really good timing, wasn't it? Yeah, that's what I thought.
And then we got Mr. Brown. You're my sister's favorite character.
Well, everybody, if you would like to get
wanna
a
say hi to
picture
her?
with the Grinch, Guy and I, Cat in the Hat, or the Lorax, make sure to come on up and get those pictures now. We only have a little bit longer until we gotta go inside. Here I am. He's been cooking up some green eggs and ham, and it's almost ready. So make sure to get those pictures now.
We're
Where
fixing
did
to make
his
the
legs go?
Lorax.
Did he say what happened to your legs? Let's call the doctor! Hello, doctor! Things to was missing his legs. What do we do? Okay, the doctor said if you use both hands and you squeeze his tummy really hard, his legs will pop back out. You wanna try? You gotta squeeze his tummy underneath the armpits with both hands and you squeeze really tight. It worked! He got his legs back, everybody! Just in case anybody was worried. Think you got his legs back. It worked!
Alright, so the cat is
No
here.
invisible doctor mode! Yeah! Where'd the tail go? Oh my gosh, let's find it! Can anybody find Guy and I's tail? Oh, wait, I know! You got a tail!
Uh-oh.
Oh
They're
my
pulling at
goodness! Cat has a tail! Did you want to take a picture with Cat in the Hat? Cat! Sorry, I was pulling his tail. That's not cool.
Stitch was his ride.
Stitch loves your ride! Well,
Yeah.
see what Stitch's ride. I don't know if I'm
Stitch's
allowed
ride
to
is
say
gone, I
that.
think.
Well, he's old, so.
Yeah. But we do love Cat.
Oh.
We rode his ride 12 times in 2 days.
12 times in 2 days?
Yeah.
Well, that's Superman. We love it. Very cool. All right, go ahead and get that picture.
Thank you, Cat. Hi, Lorax. Hi, Lorax.
Oh my goodness! You brought a sword? Do you want to have an invisible sword fight with Cat? Sure. All right, Cat, you got your sword? And go! She got you! She got you, Cat! Oh.
I don't know what happened there. I got choked. Ooh. I try to make that quick. Woo. I'm fine. I might need some water, but
Oh, you also have a sword!
sorry. Alright, so sorry. Ooh. Didn't mean to cough in this video. I'm seriously fine. It's just, I don't know. Oh, so sorry. Oh, shoot. Oh, I may have to pause it as I get this taken care of. I'm so sorry though. Alright, I'm so sorry about that, guys. I did not mean to cough in this video. So I just met the Dr. Seuss characters. They probably think I got some kind of allergies going. I don't know. My throat, it was like I was choking. So sorry. But I got some water. We were actually fixing to go do cap. And then I started choking. And yeah. So I did get to see the Dr. Seuss characters. Y'all guys saw that. And then I started coughing my head off. Again, sorry. I do got some water though. Solved that very quick. I don't know what happened. It happened as I was beating the Lorax. They probably think I got something going on, I don't know. But they did disappear. I don't know if I should stay around for story time. I meant to record it for my sister, but I guess my sister's just gonna have to come and watch it with me. Because I'm gonna try to get this cleared up. And I'm going to want Ride Cap, which is Stitch's favorite ride, as you heard me mention in the cat, that we rode it 12 times. And then I started choking up as I was trying to make the Lorax. Yeah, very bad. Alright, so I might have gotten a quick brief of who the Lorax is. This is the Lorax right behind me here. Yeah, y'all can see that. So that's the Lorax. He is speaking for the trees. What kind of trees? All the trees, really. Oh yes, especially. Don't mean to rhyme here, but he also speaks for these trees over here. They are the truffula trees. He speaks for those and makes sure that nobody chops them down, because this is what happens whenever you chop them down. The stumps. See those stumps? This is why you don't chop down trees. But of course, that's story. That's the story. Actually, I'm gonna do something real fast. We're going to go into a store. Oh, I've got my throat working again. You're going to hear some noise that's making in the background because that's the music for this area. I'm trying to walk as fast as I can though. So, where in Universal can you get the best merchandise if you're not going onto the this side right behind me near those, which we'll also check out that store because it's got a little bit of moments. Alright, so I am at the bookstore. Yeah, I'm at the ABC bookstore. This is where you can find the books, and we're going to check out what is in here. So this is pretty cute. I'm gonna hold up this one. Wouldn't you agree? Also, just to say, I've noticed it's been a long time since I've done a giveaway. So, yeah. Sorry. How the Grinch Stole Christmas, one of my sister's favorite movies is on. But I might do a giveaway. So there's going to be probably 2 giveaways. They're going to start mostly, let's see, when do I want to do this? I'll probably do it, let's see, gotta give myself time to buy these things too. Probably do them around October. October would be a good time to do this. Alright. Well, no. Yeah. Alright, so there's going to be a giveaway in summer. I'm going to do one in summer. I'm going to do one in October. And I'm going to do one during Christmas time. But for this one, I'm going to do this during summer. I'm going to do a Dr. Seuss one where he will be included. Or she will be included. Anyway, it's a bunny rabbit. And I'll be doing a Dr. Seuss one. I'll be doing a Grinch one. Inspired by my sister. I will be doing a Grinch giveaway. That one will take place around December. Because he's more Grinchy-miss. There'll be a Grinch-miss in December. So it'll be more Grinch-miss stuff. So I'll do that. But one of the drawings for my summer one, this being the summer one, probably, more than likely. Bunny agrees. So that will be in the summer one. So I'm thinking about doing an original one for summer for Dr. Seuss stuff. The bunny agreed that summer would be a good time. I'll probably also, if y'all are doing a Thing 1 and Thing 2 collection, I'll probably enter these guys in it. Thing 1 and Thing 2. Along with the cat, which is probably or probably not in the store. But I'm doing quite a bit of those. I'm going to have 3 Dr. Seuss selections. One's going to be plushies only, one's going to be shirts, and then the other one I'm going to do a couple of books from the store. But yeah, that'll be my summer one. So it'll be all about the Dr. Seuss ones. He probably will be in there. This is Sam. If y'all are not interested in him being in it, then he probably will be listed as something different. Wouldn't you say, Sam? Probably. But I'm sure you guys know Sam. So Sam will probably be in there. Another character, going back to my Lorax ones, that speaks for the trees. This is the Lorax. So he probably will more than likely be in it as well. A small ideal that could be in my Grinch ones, because I'm doing 3 Grinch ones, doing 3 Dr. Seuss ones, and 3 random ones that could be from Disney or Universal, both. But one of the ideas that could be in my Grinch, possibly, depends on how much this is. It depends. Really how much this is. I'm not going to show you guys because I don't want y'all guys being like, yeah, no. Maybe. If he's not in my Christmas one, he will be in my, well, maybe not. He'll be in my Christmas one if he's in it at all. So again, this is what the bag looks like. So there's a couple of Grinch little Grinch things. This is pretty cute. So I may do a cups only, depends. Whatever I find in that selection. It's really up to me of whatever I choose to give away. It's not up to you guys. It is up to you guys to be into the drawing, but that's about it. So like I said, I'm doing a summer one, an October one, and a Christmas one. 3 for each. That's pretty cute. As well as that. That's pretty cute. They have this in adult size. But mainly whenever I do shirts, they're going to be male sizes, men sizes, because that's just, it fits women better. And then there's some shirts there as well as there. I do have this shirt right here. This one. That shirt right there I've got. So if you guys want it, it'll probably more than likely be in my giveaway. This is cute. This stuff right here. That's cute. As well as that one's cute. Sorry about the coughing. I'm trying to get my throat back in there. So this guy, I'm not sure if you know him. He or she, I think it's a female. This fox character right here looks like he could be from the Green Eggs and Ham sequel. Let me make sure with a team member. I'm pretty sure I'm right though. Hi. Oh, this one from Green Eggs and Ham, or who is this one? Okay. Sorry, guys. I don't know very much. Oh. Okay.
You got socks on.
A fox with socks, apparently.
Fox and socks.
Fox and socks.
It's a book. You want me to show you?
So that might be in our giveaway too.
How many of you, this is your first time at Universal?
I need that hat to match my son. Oh, okay.
You never read that one before?
So we probably will enter this with this. Well, we'll probably do that together as one. I'll probably enter that guy, that girl, in with that whenever I do books. Just so that way y'all have a completion of who this character is. Don't feel bad, I don't know all these Dr. Seuss characters either. There's a brown guy out there that we met earlier in a hat. I don't even remember that character either. It's been a while. But yes, there are even posters. My son probably needs that one. He's a big fan of Cat in the Hat. Oh, and there's a shirt. I'll probably enter that one into the Dr. Seuss shirts. There's some more. That one's had the Grinch Stole Christmas. My sister probably needs that one. This is one fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish. I know that rhymes because they're all fishes, but that one's a good ride to ride here at Universal. The Lorex. And then here's a happy birthday game. That won't be included, but I probably do need that one. Because it will be my birthday next month. I'm going to stop this video so that way I can make sure that it does go up. And then I'm going to post a backup video to continue going. So bye for now.